installment purchase for solar customers. With solid partners backing them, installers can improve and increase their offers for their customers. How does it work? Is it more effort or is it more orders? We'll find out now. I'm happy to meet here Jan Himken by Bees and Bears. He's partner manager, a very close contact with the installers. So what is all about this installment purchase? What's the idea behind?
The idea is behind to bring the product that has been in years for like electricity. Imagine you're going to buy a TV, a big new one, right? You would imagine it to be like 2,500 euros.
Yeah.
But actually what the price tag says is like 70. How does that come together? It's because it's a monthly rate. And the people out there, the end customers, are looking for exactly those prices. And that's what we offer for big purchases like PV systems.
And it's heat pumps included?
Heat pumps included, yes.
So it's a whole system and storage and everything like that?
Yes, exactly.
And do you deal with the installers or with the customers of the installers?
Both, but mainly with the installers. So the installers are our partners. I'm partner manager at Bees and Bears, and so I work closely with the partners to help them and enable them to use our product for the end customers and get more offers in.
So what exactly, how does it work or run technically? So it's an internet-based business and it's combined with the offer of the installer for his or her customer.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, but the contract for financing is not going between the installer and the customer. It's going directly from you and the customer, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. The base of it all is the purchase offer from the installer to the end customer.
Okay, that's the base of it.
That's the base of it all, and then we come into play. So we are the man in the middle who's managing the cash flow. So we are paying the installer for the installment, and the end customer is paying us for the system.
Okay, and do you pay some cash in advance for the installer to buy the components and stuff like that? You know the market, it's very common. So
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is very common that end customer pays advances like up to 50% to the installer for purchases of material, and that's what we respect. Installers have the chance to get from us a money in form of 50, 30, 20% in tranches to make sure they have enough liquidity for their material, but also for their workers.
But they don't have the risks. The installers, they don't have the risk with the money transfer, with the bonity and something like that. It's all bearing you.
Yes, it's all about us.
So you're the financiers in the background.
Yes, the installer can just lay back because they know they're getting paid by us.
Yeah.
And that's a secure cash flow movement. Right? And we are taking care that the end customer pays us. So everything in that regard is managed by us and taken away from the installer so he can focus on what he does best, which is installing.
So he can open up new targets groups who have not really the money to pay it immediately. Yeah. And do you take all this burden of customers who won't pay or couldn't pay or need a delay in the rates or something like that?
Yes, that's all on our hand. We take care of all of that. Yeah. So the installer, like we said, he can get money in advance. So he does not take or have to care about anything money related to the end customer. That's all what we do.
So actually the installer is bringing with him the money for the order, with you in the background, and the customer can sign it, and the installer is out of all the financing and all the risks.
Yes, exactly.
That's a cool solution.
It is, and it's plain and simple. The customer can do it completely digital within 3 minutes. Yeah. And that's basically it, and he can sign and already knows if we offer him this monthly rate product.
A brave new world. So last, final question is how to get in contact with you.
Pretty easy.
If I would be an installer. So
exactly, pretty easy. Yeah. For today and tomorrow, you can come to our booth here at the Intersolar. We are at Hall A3. And if not so, you can come to our homepage, beesandbears.com, enter your data, and we will contact you.
Okay. So thank you very much. It's a brilliant idea. I've long waited for it. because we need those innovations in financing as we need the innovations in technical and business models. If you want to know more about Bees and Bears offer in financing, independent financing, please go to the website and get into contact with this interesting company.